Hello everyone, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing, and it's EVGA SuperNOVA 1000 G3. So it's a 1000 watt power supply. I already have 1000 watts of power supply in there at the moment, but that one is faulty. One of the connections isn't working correctly, and I need to get it out and send it off for repair. And I thought, well, I ain't going to be without my power supply. So I've invested in a new one. So like I say, this is the EVGA SuperNOVA 1000 G3. What we're going to do the unboxing. I'll lay it all out for you so you can see what you get for your money. And then we'll do the installation. So a quick look around the box. I've already took it out the shrink wrap. It had shrink wrap around it, and I couldn't use the handle, which I thought was a bit tough. So yeah, it shows you a nice picture of what the product is, or tells you what the product is. Doesn't actually show you what it looks like. Some information on the side, some information on the back, or lots of information on the back, and it says EVGA. That's about it. Nice handle actually, very solid. So let's see what you get for your money then, shall we? So I've already cut the seal just to save a bit of time. So it looks like you get a little bag. So this will be for all your extra bits. This is a full modular kit as well, so it's not one where it has your leads already connected. It's one where you can just plug in what you need, which is good. We have a manual, and I'm not going to read through that, and I do believe it's in multi-languages. Right, let's get all the bits out. What I'll do, I'll lay out all the cables first. You can have a look at all them, and then I'll show you a power supply. So I had quite a big selection of cables for you. A couple of things you might find interesting. These are cable ties, or Velcro. The Velcro cable ties, which is very nice. 2, 4, so it looks like you get 5 of them on a strip. You get all the usual stuff. I'm not going to go through them individually. I believe we have a blank. I believe this is a tester. So you can just test the power supply. Looking at it, yeah, it has 2 connections, so you can just power it up like a jump lead, basically. And the screws, and that's it. So that's all your cabling. And now for your power supply. So it comes in a nice bit of wrapping. Very nice bit of wrapping. Quite like the fan on there, nice big fan, and it's probably about 120, maybe 140 mil fan. So you've got all your connections on your back, your SATAs, your VGAs, your motherboard, more SATA connections up there, CPUs. Yeah, it looks very good. So now what we're going to do is install it in my computer, once I've got the old one out. Right, so that's it. It's all running okay. Had no issues. Tried to do a nicer job around the back of tidying up the cables, rearrange some of them. I think it looks a bit neater. It's not perfect. If I want to make it perfect, I'm going to have to buy newer leads and get them all the right length so that I can fit all them in. But I'm happy with it. It looks clean on this side. To me, the most important. It looks good. It's all running anyway. All the connections are working fine, so gets my thumbs up. And if this video gets your thumbs up, give me the thumbs up. And if it don't, give me the thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll put the cover back on now.